three types of diversity, as we know, are genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. Under species diversity, we understand that there are variety of species. Let's say, I would not tell variety, I will just tell it as number of species in a particular area or particular region. So when we are going to compare, so how many number of species is in place X and how many number of species is present in place Y. Now if you see here, we have given an example very clearly stating that amphibians diversity in Western Ghats is lots more, is greater than the amphibian species present in Eastern Ghats. So here what we are going to do is we are just comparing. There are approximately 1.5 lakh species of amphibians which is present in just the Western Ghat region. But based on the location, based on the region, the climatic condition, the environmental changes, the number of species is much lesser in Eastern Ghats. So when we are telling species diversity, we are going to take two different locations and then compare a particular type of species.